I think that if you are only living your university life within the classroom and within the peers that you meet in your classes, you're only scratching the surface of what university has to offer.
Being very self-directed and able to spark my creativity, these things aren't something that you learn in the classroom.
You're not just learning about something, you have a sense of hope for actually generating community level change.
I hope to be a person that has a lot of world experience because I want that kind of richness to be present in my everyday life.
I want to experiment a bit with my career choices, so it was important for me to get good hands-on work experience.
So if you go abroad, I think it can really help impact kind of the way that you learn in the future. Education abroad is an invaluable experience that you most likely will never, ever, ever forget.
For me, entrepreneurship is about impact and it's about freedom. I knew that there was more I could get from my university experience, and I found the thing that gets me excited to go to school every day.
Being exposed to different groups of students working on different projects just gave us a greater understanding of the kind of impact that we can have in the future. Being able to do a project like this let me know the kind of future directions that I'd like to take.
Research for me is definitely a rewarding experiential learning opportunity because you are contributing to a larger community. Being involved in research has helped me understand myself a lot more.
I have not looked back since because I have that self-confidence now and I'm learning new things about myself every day.